A soldier is never truly complete without his arms and ammunition. A master craftsman is just an amateur without his tools. Similarly, a trader stepping into the markets without a rock solid set of strategies isn't just incomplete, he is defenseless. Stock market is also a battlefield. So in this battlefield of stock market, you need frameworks that shield you from risk and maximize your probability of winning. So to equip yourself with best of the frameworks is not a choice, it is a necessity. Today I am going to show you one trade which what would have happened to that trade without adjustment and what will happen to that trade with adjustments. I'll show you the difference. Welcome to another video by the Option School. This is your friend Pradeep Singla. We create safe option trading strategies and adjustments in this channel. Let us see on Opsta. This is a very interesting strategy. Without proper adjustment know-how, the strategy performance can be very pathetic. Let me show you. Just give me 5 minutes. I'll explain you the difference. So first, January 2026, this is the trade. And at morning 9:30, we are taking this trade. Market is at around 26,187. We are selling a 26,300 call. And we are buying 10 lots of February call, 26,300, same expiry. So this is a calendar spread. Now in this calendar spread, what you are seeing is I have taken 249 from the market. I have given 489 to the market. So 489 minus 249, approximately 240 is my maximum risk. It is not unlimited risk, but yes, 240 multiplied by 65 multiplied by 10 lots is a substantial risk. Now, first I am showing you what would have happened to the trade if we have not done any adjustment. Let us straightway go to expiry. So this is 27 January, 9:30. The trade would have lost around 1,08,000 rupees. By 3 o'clock, this trade would have given me a loss of 1,06,000 rupees if I do not know any adjustment. So if I do not know any adjustment, it is like I am stepping into the battlefield without proper arms and ammunition. Now I will show how to handle this trade with few adjustments. I am not saying there will be 20 adjustments, but maybe with 2 to 3 to 4 adjustments, which are very simple adjustments, basic level adjustments for calendar spread. We will see how we are able to manage this trade and what is the outcome. Right. So I am giving a very simple adjustment, the basic adjustment of calendar spread. Whenever the break-even point gets breached, we need to shift our calendar spread. So let us go to 2nd Jan. Okay, I'm making good 9,000 rupees profit. Next, 13,000 profit. Next, 12,000. If you're happy with this kind of profit, you can book it also at this stage. But here we are trying to learn the impact of adjustments on our trades. 8th Jan is still making 13,000 rupees. Do click on the like button. Your likes really encourage us to bring more content on YouTube. Thank you. Each and every like is very precious to us. Let us see what happens next. Now the trade has gone below my break-even point. So obviously I need to do something in the trade. What I will do, I will shift the whole trade. So I will close this trade, right? And market is at around 25,840. I'll again go to option chain of 27 January and maybe sell 25,900. Again, let us maintain 10 lots and we will buy Feb, same strike price 25,900. Now what we have done, now we have increased the range of the trade. Now we are safe till 25,596 and otherwise, as I had shown you, in just one lot we are losing around 10,000 rupees on expiry, and in 10 lots the loss would have gone to almost 90,000 to 1 lakh rupees. Now let us see what happens in this trade. We'll keep on adjusting our trades as and when required. Next day, again we are seeing very next day the market has gone down. So we need to do changes again. So do not get drained by these changes. It is perfectly okay to follow the markets. So this I am saying 124. This is losses have increased definitely. So market is 25,532. Again I will go to option chain. This is Feb, okay, I'll buy maybe 25,600. Feb I need to buy and January I need to sell. So we are again shifting the goalpost for the trade. The trade which was safe only up to 25,500 is now safe up to 25,292. This is the impact of adjustments. Let us see now what happens, whether we are able to catch the market or not. Next day, okay, market has gone on the upside, which is okay, still not breaking my break-even point. Next day. So when we are coming very close to expiry, that is 21st, again the market has gone down. Again, we need to change the trade. So this will be, we have done so far 2 adjustments. So this will be our 3rd adjustment. This I am buying in 300 rupees. This I am selling in 43. So here is market now. Market is 25,200 almost. So let me see if I am getting a good premium at 25,200. I can do that. I can do 25,200 or even 25,300. So sell 10 lots and buy 10 lots. Right now my break-even point is 25095. Market is 25,200. We are very close to expiry, and if required, we will again shift the trade up or down. Next day, oh, market has gone up a bit. I'm still losing 22,000 rupees. Next day, 5,000 loss only. Next day, market has really tanked down and I'm losing 17,000 rupees. Now I'm making 24,000 rupees, right? So we stayed with the trade to an extent, and ultimately we are coming out profitably. So for one lot, it will be around 2,400 rupees. For 10 lot, it is 24,700 rupees because of adjustments. We can wait till expiry some more time. Now it's not, it's spoiling the trade. 33,000 at around 3 o'clock. So we can book the profit. So what I want to say, how many adjustments we did? This was the original trade. This is one adjustment. This is second adjustment, and this is third adjustment. We did 3 adjustments and we made ultimately 33,000 in the trade. If we have not done any adjustments, this trade of 10 lots would have lost close to 90,000 rupees. So from a loss of 90,000 rupees, we are sitting at a profit of 33,000 rupees. That is the difference in case a trader is having a proper tools with him. That is the kind of difference a trader can make in his trading journey if he is having proper strategies and proper adjustments with him. Hope you have understood the difference between a trade which gets properly adjusted and a trade which do not get adjusted. The same strategy, the same strike price, the same expiries can give you good profits also, can take away a lot of money from you also. So it's always better to keep your toolkit equipped with best of the tools available in the market if you are really serious about the trades. We are conducting a calendar spread workshop on 24th of May, in which we are going to show you certain adjustments and certain frameworks for calendar spreads, which can create a very positive impact in your calendar spread trading journey. Calendar spread is a strategy which can be used independently for decent profits. Plus, it is a great adjustment tool to be used in combination to other strategies also, even strangles and straddles when they get stuck up. Even it can be used in combination with iron condor and iron fly also. So this is one of the most important tool in our kit. We are conducting a calendar spread workshop on 24th of May from 6 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. online. We will be sharing the strategy, its logic, break-even points, and most importantly, the adjustments framework. To make the usage of the strategy very clear, we will also discuss 12 months of backtesting. If you wish to join, you can contact the numbers given on the screen. There are definitely discounts for participants who have joined our iron fly workshop or iron condor workshop. If you have joined both the workshops, you will get 50% discount. Details are given in the description also. I'm leaving you with another interesting video on option trading strategies and adjustments. Hope you will like it. Do not forget to click on the subscribe button. All our subscribers are very, very precious to us. Thank you. See you in the next video.